There's Jonathan in a 68 International pickup truck.
We're 12-year-old.
12-year-old.
12-year-old showing up 30-year-old.
Back down it now.
International runs good though.
What? Come on, I'll put you on YouTube. Back down it.
Go ahead. Straighten them out. Straighten them out.
Straighten your wheels out.
Straighten them out. Turn the wheel that way.
See, that was nothing.
I said we're gonna have to find another international.
Yep. Son's gonna want his own 4x real quick.
That's a 68 International, 40-inch tires with a welded diffs.